Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can transfer your Solana from your Metamask to Solflare wallet. First, go to your Metamask and click on three dots on the right and click on Snap. Here you have to add Solflare Solana wallet to your Metamask. After adding this, go to Radium and click on Connect Wallet and connect your Metamask. Click Continue, then click Connect, and here you can see our Metamask wallet is successfully connected. Now go to this left bottom icon and click on Send. Here we have to paste the address of our Solflare account. Go to your Solflare and copy your Solana wallet address and paste it here. Then select the amount of Solana you want to send, and after that click on Send, and your Solana will be transferred to Solflare wallet from Metamask. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.